Most beginners trying to start an AI automation agency are making the exact same mistake. They're overcomplicating everything. They think they need to learn how to code, build crazy AI systems, or spend thousands of dollars on tools before they can get any clients. But honestly, none of that is true. Because right now, complete beginners are setting up simple AI automations for local businesses and getting paid anywhere from $300 to $500 per month per client, without writing a single line of code. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to start your own AI automation agency step by step, even if you're a complete beginner and have zero experience. So why are AI automation agencies absolutely exploding right now? It's because all these local businesses are hearing about AI everywhere. But most business owners, they are completely overwhelmed in the day-to-day and in the weeds in their own business. They don't wanna take the time to learn AI. They just want more leads, faster responses, and more appointments on their calendar. They basically just want to save time and make more money. And this is a huge opportunity for beginners just like yourself. Again, most local businesses, they don't care how AI works. They just want the results that they bring. So what exactly is an AI automation agency anyways? You're basically just going in and automating repetitive tasks for these business owners that's going to save them time and make them more money. At the end of the day, that's all they care about. They want to save time and make more money. Some simple examples of these AI automations could be missed call text back. So anytime someone actually calls the business owner and they're busy working on the job, they're going to send a text message immediately to that customer so they don't lose them. An AI chatbot on their website. So anytime someone comes to their website, there's a little bot on the bottom. They can chat with them, get answers for all their frequent asked questions, and also book appointments automatically. Obviously, automating appointment booking. Another one would be instant lead follow-up. And this is when any customer comes in through Facebook, Instagram, text message, WhatsApp, whatever it is, they're automatically going to send a message back to that customer to get the conversation going. And last but not least, it could be a voice AI agent. So an actual agent that picks up the phone, asks questions, captures that lead's information, and books them on the calendar. And I have a video on our channel for all of these services. I'll teach you how to build them and how to sell each and every single one of them. So make sure you're subscribed. Again, you're not building some billion-dollar AI company. You're just solving one simple problem that this business owner has with simple AI tools. All right, let me show you visually how simple and easy this business is so that you don't overcomplicate it and make some of the biggest mistakes that beginners are making. You're basically going to find these local businesses. You can do that on Google Maps. I have tons of videos on my channel on that. You can use Facebook groups. You can do cold calling. There's so many different ways you can reach out and find these business owners that need these simple automations. You're going to offer them a simple AI automation, and then you're going to collect $300 to $500 per month based on the automation and the results that you're getting this business owner. It's very simple. This is literally the entire business model. And here's some of the biggest mistakes that beginners are making. Most people try to overcomplicate this business. They spend months trying to learn these AI systems instead of starting to sell them. They try to offer too many services at once. I'm totally guilty of that, of trying to offer everything all at once and not even knowing how to explain it myself. So it's impossible to explain to business owners. Again, the goal is not to become some AI engineer. You don't need to do that anymore. There's software that does everything for you. The goal is to solve one painful problem for a business owner, provide value to them, and get paid every single month. The one simple offer that I would recommend starting with is missed call text back. Why? Because it's easy to explain. It's very easy to sell. It solves a real problem for this business owner, and you can charge a monthly fee that's going to earn you recurring revenue. So think about it this way. You're a homeowner, your toilet starts leaking, you need an instant repair. You go to Google, you type in plumber near me, and you look at the top, maybe one or two, whoever has the best reviews, you give them a call. They don't answer the phone, you hang up, go right to the next person. I've done this so many times trying to fix things around my house, and these business owners are losing thousands and thousands of dollars every single month by not having an automated response or being able to answer the phone when they're busy on the job. And believe it or not, over 80% of customers that call a business and they don't get a response within 5 minutes will never call them again. Think about how much money they are losing every month. So I built a lead loss calculator on my website. You can also find one online if you just type in lead loss calculator on Google. But I'm going to go ahead and give you an example of how much money, let's say, an HVAC company is losing. So average lifetime value of a customer, an HVAC company, they install furnaces, they do air conditionings, they repair things. I would say an average lifetime value, a service call is going to probably be at least $250. And when you're actually installing furnaces or AC units, you're talking $5,000. So let's do an average of $2,500 per customer lifetime value. Let's say they missed 5 calls a week, which is probably very low. So 20 calls per month. And we'll say they can close about 40% of them. Let's calculate how much revenue they're losing. So they're losing about 8 customers per month. That's about $20,000 per revenue per month. $240,000 in revenue per year. And then an estimated 3-year revenue loss is $720,000. So, and then we charge $497 for our backend systems, and it does include missed call text back. We have a couple other things kind of built in together as a package. And then their estimated return on investment is 3,924%. Business owners love to invest their money to grow their business. So when you're able to get on a phone call with them or a Zoom call and basically ask them these simple questions and just explain, hey, you're losing $20,000 a month by not responding immediately to your missed calls. They're going to have this light bulb moment and want to work with you, want to get this simple solution installed into their business. And again, the missed call text back is super simple and easy to set up. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that right now. All right. So inside this simple software, you're basically going to create them a sub account under your agency account. And you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom into settings. And then you're going to go into phone systems here. And then under phone system, you're going to go ahead and click add number. So add a new phone number right here. And then you can search by country. You can filter by zip code. So if you want a certain zip code, you can put it there and you can say the front of the number or the back of the number. And you can basically just refresh results. So here's all the numbers that you can basically grab. There's gonna be North Carolina, Florida, all those type of things. If it's a local service company, I recommend, this is what I always do, is I will filter by, say it's, 518 is your area code. And that's first part of the number, apply. So that way, all of these numbers are going to have the 518 New York. So you can basically select which town they're in, and let's just do Glen Falls. And then you just click proceed to buy, and it's $1.15 per month. Super easy, super simple. And then you just get that number verified for that business owner. And then you're going to go, and that's going to come into here. You can also have this business number that you just bought them forward to their actual number that they're using, or their personal number. But that way you separate their business from their personal. They're going to love that on top of what this can do. Next, once you get that number for them, you're going to go over to voice, and you're going to click voicemail, missed call, text back. And then you're going to click this one right here, missed call, text back. This is the entire system right here. It's super simple to set up. You literally click this button, enable missed call, text back, and you can customize it however you want. So you can say, hey, this is their location name. You can say, hey, this is Precision Plumbing. Hey, this is Precision Plumbing. I just missed your call. How can I help? So again, then you can test it down here if you want. But that's going to set it up, and you just click save. And you're done. So now anyone that calls that business number and they don't get an answer right away, they're going to get a text message immediately right after they get to the voicemail and right after they hang up. And it's going to say, hey, this is Precision Plumbing. Hey, this is ABC HVAC. So sorry we missed your call. We're on a job right now. How can I help you? That's going to get that customer that they would have lost, and they would have just went down Google, to the next business. And it's going to start that communication to them. It's going to let them know, hey, I understand you have a problem. I'm here to solve it. Keep that conversation going and capture that lead. And again, save them time and make them more money, which is all they want. And that's literally the entire system, the AI automation that you're going to set up for this business. It's a simple solution. Like I said, it's just finding these business owners, offering them a simple AI solution. Again, this is missed call, text back. You can also do a voice AI. You can do text remarketing. You can set up review automation, so they're getting more reviews each month. Again, I cover all of this on our YouTube channel, so make sure you're subscribed. And then you're going to get paid monthly, $300 to $500 per month. Think about how absolutely life-changing that is, to be able to get reoccurring income coming in month after month after month. You set it up one time, you set it and forget it, and you're building this business that's going to compound on itself. So say we charge $300 per month and you get 10 clients on this missed call, text back. That's $3,000 a month in revenue. I don't know about you, but that completely pays for my mortgage and also pays for most of our groceries each month. So this thing can compound very quickly. And again, the best part of it, it's reoccurring revenue. So again, you set it up one time and you can get paid forever. And the best part about this is you can start this part-time while you're still working your full-time job. You can work on it on the weekends. You can work on it at nights, mornings, whatever you need to do to get your first couple clients and get the reoccurring revenue coming in. Hey, and real quick, if you're getting value from this video, can you hit the like button, share it with a friend, and comment free course below, or check out the link in the description. I will give you my full step-by-step course, my templates, my prompts, my live one-on-one kickoff call to get you everything you need to succeed in starting this AI automation business. Again, just comment free course below and I'll hook you up. So let's talk about getting your first client, because that's where most people get stuck. You want to pick a niche. You want to pick either plumbers, roofers, dentists, HVAC companies, realtors. One of my favorites is house cleaners or appliance repair companies. And you're basically going to outreach to these businesses and focus on the missed call and lead response. So how do you actually reach out to these companies? There's kind of 3 different ways. Your best is going to be by phone, because hopefully they're answering their phone. And if not, that's a perfect way to kind of lead into what you're trying to solve. Facebook messages is my absolute favorite way to do that. I like to become the local hero in the area. And once you get those first 5 clients in your area and you're in those local Facebook groups, you start to get referrals and you start to get people to reach out to you because you are becoming the local hero and helping businesses grow. And then number 3 is email, but that one is probably the hardest to get through to the business owners. So your outreach script is going to be really simple. It's going to be, hey, I noticed you might be missing leads after business business hours. So, weekends, nights, they're not actually answering their phones. I actually help businesses automate their lead follow-up using AI, so you can book more appointments automatically. And again, the key lesson is businesses care about more leads, more booked jobs, and faster response times. They do not care about AI. You are not actually selling missed call text back. You're not actually selling an AI automation. You are selling them more leads, more booked jobs, and faster response times. That's the results. You're selling the results, not the actual product. All right, to give you a quick example of how to find these businesses on Google that are most likely to work with you. Again, I have tons of videos on our channel about this. You're basically gonna search for a local service company. I'm gonna use appliance repair as my example here, and then an area, a city, a town, or you can just say near me if you wanna become the local hero. And you're gonna scroll through and you're looking for companies that have a low amount of reviews, so under 50 reviews and no website. So this BW appliance repair, this would probably be a good one. They have no website. Again, that would be an awesome thing to add on as a service, is build out a website using AI Studio. Again, I have a video on my channel for that. Build the website in 10 minutes or so, and then add the missed call text back at the end. Boom, there's your offer. $297 a month. You got them locked in, and you can basically reach out to this company here. So just create this list. There's also scrapers you can use that basically scrapes Google for you, and we'll put them all into an Excel sheet. Here's another one without a website. We're looking for ones with low reviews as well. So Ramirez Appliance Solutions. Again, they probably are not answering their phone. These are companies, when they have less than 50 reviews, they're companies that are a couple years in. It's not like they have no reviews, and they're in the growth phase. They're kind of plateauing. And I know for myself, being a business owner for over 10 years, that you kind of plateau in the multiple six figures. And in order to get to the 7-figure business mark, you need to create systems. And a lot of times I found that these businesses that have low amount of reviews, between 10 to 50 reviews, are prime for working with. So I found 1, 2, 3, let's see, there's 2 up top. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I just found 9, and this is one city in one home service business. So you could probably find a few hundred businesses in each city, especially, bigger cities like Buffalo, New York, or Pittsburgh, PA, that need your help and need these automations. And the great thing about this is there are literally millions and millions of businesses out there, local small businesses that need your help. They're struggling and they want to make more money. They want to save more time. They want to spend more time with their family. And you can come in, create simple AI automations that help them save time and make more money. All right, so let's break down some realistic numbers if you're charging $300 per month for an AI solution. 5 clients is going to be $1,500 per month. 10 is going to be $3,000 per month. And 20 clients could be a full-time income. This is definitely not going to make you rich overnight, but this is one of the simplest and easy businesses I've come across over the last decade of doing online marketing to actually get started for beginners that can do it part-time, that you can stack on top of each other with recurring revenue, and it can absolutely replace your income if you're able to take action and actually make it work. The biggest hurdle is getting over the learning curve, getting over that fear, and actually getting that first client, which is why I offer a free course that helps you step by step to get your first client. So don't overthink it. Pick one service to offer, whether it's missed call text back, an AI voice agent, a website, just pick one. Get your first client and learn as you go. The people winning with AI right now are not necessarily the smartest people. They're the ones taking action before they're even ready. They're learning as they go, and they're making progress every single day. Action takers are money makers. And again, if you want my full beginner-friendly AI automation agency system for free, just hit the like button, share this with a friend, and comment free course below, or use the link in the description, and I will get everything over to you, my templates, my prompts, my outreach scripts, any automations, the software, and a live one-on-one kickoff call to get you started. Everything you need to get your first client. No fluff, no fake guru stuff, just real systems that actually work. But here's the thing, starting the agency is step 1. The real challenge is landing clients on a consistent basis. So make sure you watch my next video here where I break down everything step by step. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Peace.